Let's make the most flavorful melt in your mouth curry infused steam roasted duck. You'll need scallions, shallot, fresh turmeric and ginger roots, lots of fresh garlic, fresh thyme leaves, fresh cilantro leaves. Dump into a mini food processor or blender. Add fresh orange juice, ground cumin, red curry powder, Chinese allspice, salt, fresh ground black pepper, hot pepper of choice, extra virgin olive oil. Puree until well combined. Season a whole duck. I'm using a Rohan duck. Season the duck all over, inside and out. Place on a wire rack. Cover with a tight lid. Steam roast the duck for 2.5 to 3 hours, and look at that. It just falls apart and melts in your mouth. Steam roasting prevents the meat from drying out. Written recipe link in description. Follow for more deliciousness. Amazing! It's so delicious!